bato sa katayon. Kaya sabay-sabay lahat tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Tama ba yun? With exercise.
You and everything and I'm including me. You made the heavens, the earth, and the sea. Take care of me. You give me what I need. Take care of me. You will do what's best. Impossible with God. Nothing is impossible with God. Every time I clap my hands, every time I start my king.
Psalm 145 verse 13. The Lord is faithful to all His promises and loving toward all He has made. Deuteronomy 5 and 6. Love the Lord with all of your heart and with all of your soul.
If it is possible, as far as it depends on you, live at peace with everyone. Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome by evil with good.
Aba talaga? Palakpak tayo! Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord. Lord Jesus.